Good morning, students. Welcome back to the e-learning classes. Now, all of you open your EVS textbook. Okay. In the last class, we have already completed our chapter. Here comes a letter, and also workbook also completed. And next chapter number 19. Our friends animals, and page number 126. Okay, page number textbook page number 126. Okay, so see the book. Here the bird get hurt. Okay, so the children, first I read the story. The children in the class were startled on the hearing a sound tack. The sound came from the ceiling fan. Okay, the classroom, a fan is here, and the children in the class were startled on hearing the sound tack, and the sound came from the ceiling fan. Kollani shouted, "Look, look! A bird is get hurt." Okay, this bird, the little bird get hurt, and Peter got up at once and picked up the bird. It was in pain. Okay, Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl, and Peter lovingly petted the bird. Petted means caring, okay, with their hands. That is called petted. They held the bowl to the bird's beak, and it drank a little water and slowly started flapping its wings. Okay, and Navjot told all the children to move back. They noticed that the bird was trying to fly. In a while, the bird flew away. Okay, then I repeat again. The children in the class were startled on the hearing the sound tack. The sound came from the ceiling, and Kollani shouted, "Look, look! A bird is hurt." Okay, so a little bird is get hurt with the ceiling fan. Okay, the bird hurt itself with the fan. Okay, so then number 3, then Navjot and Ali, two students, two boys, quickly brought water, and Peter also a student, lovingly petted the bird, and then the bird is free from danger and the bird flew away. Okay, so Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl, and Peter lovingly petted the bird, and they held the bowl to the bird's beak, and the bird drank water and slowly started flapping its wings. Okay, and Navjot told all the children to move back, and they noticed that the birds were trying to fly, and in a while the bird flew away. Okay, so next page number 127. Next page. Next day the children saw a bird circling above them in their classroom. Okay, in their classroom the children saw that a bird circling above them in their classroom, and the children tried to find out whether it was the same bird that was heard the previous day, and they quickly switched off the fan and started to clap. Okay, so next day the children another saw a bird circling above them in their classroom, and the children tried to find out whether it was the same bird that was heard the previous day. They quickly switched off the fan and started to clap. Okay. And next, put the sentences in the correct order. Peter lovingly petted the bird. The children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl, and the bird flew away, and the bird hurt itself with the fan. Okay. So number 1, Peter lovingly, Lovingly, lovingly petted, Patted, petted the bird. Okay. Number 2, the children saw a bird circling, circling in their classroom. Okay. Next, number 3, Navjot, Navjot and Ali quickly, quickly brought water, brought water in a bowl, BOWL. Okay. And next, number 4, the bird flew away. And number 5, the bird hurt itself with the fan. Okay. So first one, that is number 1, is here. Okay. That is number 1. Next, number 2, last one. Number 3, this. And number 4, this. And last one, number 5. Okay. So first, the children saw a bird circling in their classroom. Next, the bird hurt itself with the fan. Number 3, Navjot and Ali quickly brought water in a bowl. Peter lovingly petted the bird, and the bird flew away. Okay. So next, Shankar was very happy. Okay. A cat had given birth to 4 kittens in the courtyard of his house, and he started spending his free times with them. And one morning, Shankar was woken up by cat's cry. He ran towards the courtyard, and he saw that the cat was crying and cuddling its 3 kittens. Okay, cuddling means care his babies. Okay, one of these kittens was missing. He went outside. Cuddling means searching, because her one baby is missing, and he went outside and found Malini petting a kitten. Okay, Shankar called Malini into his courtyard. Malini saw that the cat crying. Okay. So Shankar was very happy because a cat had given birth to 4 kittens in the courtyard of his room, or of his house. and he started spending his free time with them. And one morning Shankar was woken up by the crying, cats crying, and he ran towards the courtyard, and then he saw one baby of that cat is missing. And then Shankar went to the outside and found Malini petting a kitten. Okay, and Shankar called Malini into his courtyard, and Malini saw the cat cry. Okay, so today I have completed up to this topic, and next classes we will completed rest of the topic. And thank you, students.